Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Edmunds Automotive. Today I have a 2016 Chevy Traverse. This Traverse has a clean CARFAX. It's also a one owner as well too. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on this car real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. No scrapes or scuffs on the rims there. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well. Got the built-in turn indicators right there on the mirror. Now we've also completed a 150-point inspection on this car, and we also do a 30-day warranty on everything that we sell as well. This car is also a non-smoker. There's no rips or tears in the seat. This car is extremely clean inside and out. No cracks or fading in the dash. Now with this Traverse, you will also get captain seating as well. So let me fold the captain chair up for you. So there's no crack or there's no rips or tears in your captain seats. Now for your passengers back here, they're gonna have their own AC controls, and they're also gonna have 2 USB ports. So they're gonna be able to hook up their phone, tablets, anything like that, and they'll be able to charge their devices there. Now you do have third row with these Traverses. There's a good shot of your third row. Here's another shot of your rims and tires. Again, no scuffs or scratches on the rims. This car is equipped with a power lift gate, a backup camera, and backup sensors. Plenty of cargo room back here, and you're also able to fold down these seats if you need more room as well too. And this car is all-wheel drive, so it will be good enough in the winter time. There's your power lift gate. Now we also have financing available as well too. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit. I'll give you one more shot of your third row and your captains. Again, there's no rips or tears on the third row. Here's your captain. No rips or tears on your captain. And let's hop in the driver's seat and look around a little more. Now you will have power windows, power locks, automatic headlights, power driver's seat, and there's no rips or tears in the driver's seat. And this car also has remote start as well too. All right, as I mentioned earlier, you do have a backup camera in here. You're gonna have heated seats, USB charge ports there. You can open up your batch hat. You can control everything right here. You will have Bluetooth cruise control in this car as well. Again, this is a 2016 Chevy Traverse, clean CARFAX, one owner. If you have any questions on this car, please give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you.